Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing how I like to make London Broil. Some of the ingredients you'll need on hand are London Broil, garlic, olive oil, lemon, lime juice, bouillon paste, butter, salt, pepper, and any other additional seasoning you'd like to showcase. Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Hi, this is Alex the Demo Dude, and today we're going to be making London Broil. So the first thing I like to do when I am preparing with garlic is crack the heck out of it. Now I just showcase really light cracking. It's pretty controlled, pretty easy, but it helps get the peel off a lot faster. Or you can do it this way. Alright, so next we're going to add the pepper. So add pepper, more pepper than you think you're going to need, a ton of pepper. I also threw a little bit of additional seasoning that has nutmeg, salt, pepper, basil, a little bit of garlic. It's always nice to have a little sodium on there. If you don't have an allspice like that, just add some sea salt. And then now we're adding our mixture on top with citrus, olive oil, lemon, lime, and freshly cut and chopped garlic. And I like to pin the edges of the aluminum foil so the juice doesn't come out and burn. Alright, now that everything's done, we're going to put it in the oven. It's already pre-broiled. We'll put it in there for about 4 to 6 minutes on each side or till the internal temperature is 125 degrees. Now we set the timer for 6 minutes and on we go. So then after about 4 to 6 minutes, take it out. You kind of want to see it browning a little bit of the edge. That means it's the proper cook temp on this side. Flip it over. I like to add a little bit of more pepper. Oops. A little bit more salt. And then we throw it back in the oven for another 4 minutes. We have the final product. See if it's cut. Cut it open, see if it's cooked right. Oh, look at that. Perfect. So you cut it into little slices, like so. All right. Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.